Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students of Inter Part 2, Assalamu alaikum. May peace and blessings of Allah be on all of you. I hope all of you are well. Today, in this audio, I am going to share with you subjective paper. In the last audio talk, I shared with you objective, and now I am going to share with you the subjective paper. Okay ji, now you please write down questions and then look for the answers and then do it. Right? Section 1. Subjective paper का section 1. Write short answers. Question number 1. Can life exist on any planet other than the Earth? Question number 1, I repeat. Can life exist on any planet other than the Earth? Number 2, question number 2. How have we improved our living standard by using the scientific method? I repeat the question. How have we improved our living standard by using the scientific method? Question number 3. How do the poor college students meet their expenses? How do the poor college students meet their expenses? Question mark. Number 4. What was Dechi's general view of school life? डेविड डेचिस, उसका जो लेसन है जी एंड ऑफ द टर्म, उसमें से है ये क्वेश्चन. एंड आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज द डेचीज, डी कैपिटल DAICHES apostrophe, general view of the school life? Number 5. Why did J.C. Squire, J capital, C capital, Squire, SQUIRE, why did J.C. Squire choose to throw the useless books into the river? Right? I repeat the question. Why did J.C. Squire choose to throw the useless books into the river? Next. Why should the author be an acquisition to a medical class? ये a man who was a hospital उसमें से है. Why should the author be an acquisition to a medical class? To a medical class. Next question लिखें जी. Why did the manager of the bank think that Leacock was a detective? Leacock, LEACOCK. Why did the manager of the bank think that Leacock was a detective? ये लेसन है आपका माई फाइनेंशियल कैरियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिख लें जी. What are the chief characteristics of an underdeveloped country? What are the chief characteristics of an underdeveloped country, comma, as are described in the essay? आगे नाम लिख लें ऐसे का इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के अंदर. हंगर एंड पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन, क्वेश्चन मार्क. आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन. What are the chief characteristics of an underdeveloped country, comma, as are described in the essay Hunger and Population Explosion? Last question लिखें. How did Cordova deserve to be titled as the jewel of the world? I repeat the question. How did Cordova, C capital, शहर का नाम है जी, Cordova, Cordova, deserve to be titled as the jewel of the world? Jewel का J capital, EWEL, jewel of the world, WORLD. ये लेसन का नाम है, jewel of the world. लास्ट लेसन है मॉडर्न प्रोज का. हाउ डिड कोर्डोवा, जिसको आप उर्दू में कुर्तबा कहते हैं, आपकी उर्दू में लेसन है कुर्तबा का काजी. हाउ डिड कोर्डोवा डिजर्व टू बी टाइटल्ड एज द ज्यूल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, यानी उसे दुनिया का खूबसूरत तरीन शहर क्यों कहा जाता था. नाउ यू हैव टू आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. You suppose you do not know the answer, you can look for these answers in your helping book, memorize the answers, learn them by heart, and then take them down. Right? Now section 2, again write short answers. Question number 1, who was Churchill? Who was Churchill? CHURCHILL. Who was Churchill? Question number 2, ये जो वेरी फर्स्ट लेसन है ऑफ हीरोज़ का, फर्स्ट ईयर एट हैरो, उसी में से है जी. वेरी वेरी चर्चिल हिमसेल्फ वाज, चर्चिल इज़ द राइटर ऑफ द लेसन एज वेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखें जी. व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन गार्दिया? What was the condition of children in Ghardia? G capital, GHARDAIA, Ghardia. What was the condition of children in Ghardia? Hitchhiking across the Sahara में से. Next question लिखें. What was the condition of El Golier? What was the condition of El Golier? E कैपिटल, L छोटी सी डैश डाल के आगे G कैपिटल, OLIA, El Golier. El Golier, question mark. What was the condition of El Golier? This question is also from the same lesson, hitchhiking across the Sahara. Next question लिखें जी. How did Lister kill germs? How did Lister kill germs? ये आई थिंक लुई पास्टर में से है या फ्लेमिंग में से, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. इन्हीं दोनों में से किसी एक में से है. हाउ डिड लिस्टर किल जर्म्स? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखें. वाई एंड व्हेन वाज फ्लेमिंग नाइटेड? वाई एंड व्हेन वाज फ्लेमिंग, FLEMING, F कैपिटल आ जाएगा, FLEMING, फ्लेमिंग नाइटेड, KNIGHTED, यानी उसको जो मलका बरतानिया थी, या जो बरतानिया ब्रिटेन के जो रॉयल फैमिली है उसकी तरफ से ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड, ही वॉज नाइटेड, he was given the title of Sir Alexander Fleming in recognition of his meritorious services in the field of medicine. तो उसमें कहता है why and when was Fleming knighted. Next question जी. What is spontaneous generation? A very very important question and it is from Louis Pasteur. What is spontaneous generation? ये क्वेश्चन बार बार एग्जाम्स में आता है. नेक्स्ट, why did Turkish people reject the treaty? Mustafa Kemal. Why did the Turkish people reject the treaty? Armistice, they rejected armistice. उसे क्यों उन्होंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया था? आफ्टर फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर which ended in I think 1918 or 19, right? And they started their struggle for independence under the leadership of Mustafa Kemal. Later became founder of modern Turkey, father of Turks. He is called father of Turks. लास्ट क्वेश्चन लिखें जी, सेक्शन 2 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. हाउ डिड मुस्तफ़ा कमाल सिंप्लीफाई द लैंग्वेज, मतलब टर्किश लैंग्वेज, How did Mustafa Kamal simplify the language or the Turkish language? आप इसको कह सकते हैं. He simplified. He introduced many changes. He reformed his country. He introduced many reforms in the field of economics, education, social reforms, in the field of trade and commerce. He was a reformer. Mustafa Kamal was a true reformer. That's why he is called father of modern Turkey. Section 3. Write short answers again. और ये मिस्टर चिप्स से है जी. Question number 1. What kind of fellow was Mr. Weatherby? A very important question. What kind of fellow was Mr. Weatherby? In other words, we can say, who was Mr. Weatherby? What kind of fellow? कैसा इंसान था Mr. Weatherby? कैसा इंसान था? What next question लिखें? What was Chip's status in the staff at 50? यानी जब वो 50 साल का हो गया था तो what was his status at Brookfield? What was Chip's status in the staff at 50? Next question लिखें जी. What notion did Chips have about women? Or in other words, about modern women. What notion did Chips have about women? Next question. How was Chip's performance as a teacher before marriage? How was Chip's performance as a teacher before marriage? Next question. Did Chips start to write down his memories? I repeat the question. Did Chips start to write down his memories? Next question लिखें जी. Why did boys call Chips old after the death of his wife? Why did boys call Chips old after the death of his wife? Next question. What were the activities of Chips after his retirement? What were the activities of Chips after his retirement? Next question. What services did Brookfield, B capital BROOKFIELD, Brookfield render during World War I, WW1? What services did Brookfield render during World War I? World War I started in Europe in year 1914, and major European powers were at war with one another. For example, Great Britain, France, Germany, Italy. So Great Britain was an active player, major power. So Brookfield was in England, so it rendered many services for England. तो उसके बारे में सवाल है जी कि what services did Brookfield render during World War I? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखें जी. Why did Chips not want to be the official head of Brookfield? Why did Chips not want to be the official head of Brookfield? Next question है जी. How did Chips takes his class during the shelling? यानी जंग के दिनों में वो अपनी क्लासें कैसे लेता था जी. How did Chips take his class during the shelling? Another question. What was Chips' will? What was Chips' will? When he died, he left a will. उसने वसीयत की थी जी. What was that? It's an important question. What was Chips' will? You know, he had no one. no family, no children, no nothing. So he left a will. Whatever he had, he donated. तो ये आपने लिखना है जी. नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन इसमें लिखें जी कि व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ डिस्कशन डिड चिप्स हैव विद लिनफर्ड. Linford. Linford was the last boy who came to see Mr. Chips, and they had a very friendly, candor chit chat at tea. So, what was that? What sort of discussion did Chips have with Linford? So, next section, these were the questions from Mr. Chips. Now, आपने एक essay prepare करना है जी, and the topic of that essay is my last day at college. The topic is my last day at college. Next question है जी, use these idioms and phrasal verbs in sentences of your own. I repeat the question. Use the following idioms and phrasal verbs in sentences of your own. Number one is kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Next, to hit the mark. To hit the mark. Next one, to pocket insult. To pocket insult. Next one is face the music. Face the music. Next one, a maiden speech. MAIDEN. Maiden speech. A maiden speech. Next one, a wild goose chase. A wild goose chase. Next one है जी phrasal verb है count on. Count on. Take in. Take in. Take in. Last question है, and that question is a paragraph, and you have to translate that paragraph into English. Now take down this paragraph. I am going to dictate it, and you have to translate that paragraph into English. And before going for the translation, you are supposed to read this paragraph at least twice. At least twice. ओके जी. इंसान की किस्मत उसके हाथ में है. इंसान की किस्मत उसके हाथ में है. वो इसे अच्छा भी बना सकता है और बुरा भी. वो इसे अच्छा भी बना सकता है और बुरा भी. इंसान अपनी मेहनत से ज़िंदगी में मकाम हासिल करता है. इंसान अपनी मेहनत से ज़िंदगी में मकाम हासिल करता है. बाज़ दफ़ा वो अपनी किसी कोशिश में नाकाम हो जाता है. बाज़ दफ़ा वो अपनी किसी कोशिश में नाकाम हो जाता है. लेकिन ज़िंदगी में कामयाबी और नाकामी साथ साथ चलती रहती है. लेकिन ज़िंदगी में कामयाबी और नाकामी साथ साथ चलती रहती है. जहाँ कामयाबी हमें खुशी देती है, वहाँ नाकामी दर्स देती है. जहाँ कामयाबी हमें खुशी देती है, वहाँ नाकामी दर्स देती है. हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. या हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं जी कि जहाँ कामयाबी हमें खुशी देती है, वहाँ नाकामी दर्स देती है कि हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. अल्लाह मेहनत का सिला ज़रूर देता है. अल्लाह मेहनत का सिला ज़रूर देता है. This is your subjective paper, dear ones. So read it. First of all, listen this audio very attentively, take down questions, and then prepare the answers, and then solve this paper. It is very, very important for your preparation. Right? Thank you very much. May God bless all of you.